Okay, we are recording this on the big Windows tower on Andy's Zoom account. Before starting this recording, I also brought in Roy's account. I brought in Carl's account. I have opened up the spreadsheet that we will be using on Roy's account. I have opened up the Zoom meeting settings page over on the Zoom website using Carl's account, and I can switch between them using the view options of the host thing. I am recording this right now in gallery view. If I view options, and that right now is showing Roy's account. This should be the spreadsheet recording. If I switch to shared screens with Carl, I should get the meetings thing here. As you can see this, let me get over to mouse on his. I can scroll this up and down using this so that I can show exactly where the meetings are in relation to the entire thing. I can now switch back to Roy. It's now showing the spreadsheet things, and using the cursor over on the laptop, I can show you, where we're going now. Tonight, we're only going to be covering down to number 30. Actually, we'll probably go down and cover through '35 or 36, maybe. Depends on what kind of time we have left. Anyway, I have been recording this to the local machine. Now I'm going to end this and see what happens if we to the recording itself. I'm going to end it for all people.